This is a Maytag 3000 series. MCT Maytag commercial technology. Okay, the power turn on, but now bling bling. Usually press the button right here or spin, but let's see, nothing happened. See, nothing happened. Click, but no spinning. What the reason? What the reason? Click but no spin, nothing, no sound, no humming sound, nothing. So I have to, let's see, I open this up and see what happened. I'll let you guys know if anyone have the same problem. Now it's off, on. Let's set it up for 50 minutes and click the start button. Click. Usually it's already turning and nothing moving, no sound, nothing, just a click, that's all. All right, let's see. Open this back. I don't know how to open this, but this is the drill I have right here. So with this is from Harbor Freight. I hope it fit in there. I think I got to open some of this screw right here and see what happened. Yeah, I forgot to tell you this before it happened like this. It's making really noise, like a squeaking noise. So I don't know what happened, but now it's no noise, nothing, no squeaking, nothing. So this is the top, this is the side, the back. So I use, this is the 1/4 inch socket. I just open it, this is a 1/4 inch there. Okay, that's a 1/4 inch. This, I'll put it right here. That's only 2 screws right here, 1/4 inch. Oh, 3 screws. See, this is the back, this is the top. There you go. Let's see how to open this. Oh. Okay, pull them out. Okay, that's easy. This is the top. So you open this. Make sure you have the video that I can watch it later. You put them back together. See what happened. Check the belt. Look like it's loosened. So the belt is not busted. It's still, you know, it's still attached to the drum. So I think that's gotta be the pulley. Something wrong with the pulley because the belt is still good. So let me see how do I get to the pulley. This is the top, okay? And the belt like this. Go around the drum. It go around the drum like that. So this is the, I guess this is the paper came with the machine. But anyway, let me find out where the pulley. And maybe have to buy the new pulley, that's it. Okay, we'll be continuing. Okay, now I have to open the back panel of the dryer here. See that panel right here. I just open it. Use the pick these screw out. You know, basically just that. Unscrew them like a 1/4 inch. This is a 1/4 inch nut right here. The head like this. Okay. See, this is what I found here. This is the pulley. So that's the pulley right here. See exactly what happened. It came up from here. So we may have to reuse it. There's another one right here. I'm not sure what this for. This is rectangle piece. It's so dirty. It's like 12 years old. 12 or 13 years old. See this rectangle, triangle. This is a triangle, right? Yeah. Triangle clip right here. And then there's the pulley. And the little ring right here too. That one ring. It's a pulley. It's supposed to be right here. But it's so dropped down here. So Let's see what I'm gonna do with this one. Yeah, now I just go to Amazon and buy this one. I just put the model number in there and Maytag, and then it just pop out like this for like $16. See, this one broken. It's supposed to be like a bearing right here. It's supposed to be right here. See, it's supposed to be like that, but it broke. So this side is still good, but this side broke in half. So I buy this one plus the belt and something else come with it for $16. So cheap. If it's not fit, it look the same. It look similar to this. If it's not fit, I'm gonna return it easy. Amazon easy. If it's not fit, I'm gonna have to bring it back to return it and then try a different way. But I'll let you know if it fit. So this one broken. All right, was 2 days. So it will come in 2 days. So just wait. We're not gonna use the dryer for 2 days. I hope it works. Save me some money. Okay, so it came today, 2 days. So it came with, excuse me, with the belt and the wheel and the belt. But this for $16 from Amazon. The 2 wheel and then little bar right here. So let's try to put it on so I don't have to reuse the belt. I just use the old belt. If it busted again, so I have to, if it break, I'll have to replace it. Keep them for spare. Okay, now we're gonna put it back. Okay, this is 3/8, a little socket here. This is 3/8 to take that bar off right here. See that bar right there? Yep, just put it in there. And just take it off to put a new one in. This is the new one. They give us a extra wheel, so I just use the whole thing. Take this one away, throw them away, throw them out, and then use the new one. I was gonna use the new wheel, but it doesn't fit in that little metal right here, the holder right here. So use this to come with it. Okay, now I just put it back in the new one. See that the spring right here? This one comes with a little square, but the old one don't have it. The old one just like this. But we don't need the square. But you know, some machine may need a square, but this model don't have the square. See? Now let's go up and down. That's the new one. Okay, let's see. Let me put the belt in again. Okay, now, so I just put the belt and lift the tension up. Right, the belt will go like that. For the top, go down here, and go back like that. See, like that. When you lift the tension right here, lift it up. So now it's tense. Now it's tight. So let's turn on and see what happens. Okay. So you know the beginning of the machine, it didn't work. Now let me see. Let's turn it on. Right there. Let's try it. Press the button right here and hold it. Okay, look like working. Look like working. Spinning. Spinning fine. That's the back, not the back. So I have to put them together. It's working. So again, after 12 years, 12 or 13 years, this machine, the pulley is broken. So the belt's still there. So I still have an extra one. Extra wheel and from Amazon, extra wheel and extra belt. So in case you go bad again, just easy to replace them. See now, turn it on. Work just fine. After I put all that screw back at the back. So you take picture or do video. Take picture where you got a screw from and take every picture, and then when you put it back, you just look at your old picture or old video. Then you'll be able to do it. Every time you do it, you just have to take a picture, any screw, anything. Then you look back and then you go the same way. When you put it together, you look what your picture you took earlier. It worked just fine after 13 years. Broke, now it's what? Saved me probably $100 easily. I only spent like $16 on Amazon. Okay, bye everyone. Good luck. Try to save your money.